The soul sings in a place like this. I've seen some of the most beautiful places on earth because of the job that I had in television, travelling the world, go wherever I want. But I've never been in a place that makes me feel any better than this does. What we have in this small corner of the earth, in this remote island and as far south as you can get before the Antarctic, we have a tiny corner of the world that reminds us of what the whole rest of the world was once like.
This was the area where we did our first carbon counting in the Styx. This is where we drove the first peg with the Wilderness Society in the Styx. And from here, we realised how special this area was because we all went away with this beautiful feeling. We invited World Heritage to come in and have a look at this area, and they assessed it and they gave it the nod of approval. So this now is classified as World Heritage Area, never to be logged, never to be destroyed. But there's a lot of areas exactly like this that are so close to being destroyed and never to be seen. So when I come into this high conservation area here, it is just this beautiful, uplifting feeling where all the worries in the world are left behind, because that's how powerful this old growth forests are. They will lift you within your heart and soul. You'll feel a beautiful sense of relief that these forests are safe and will never be touched.
We need the notion that you can have conservatives for conservation in our country, that you should be able to love Australia and preserve it and protect it, put your hand on your heart and say, this forest is wonderful, and not be denounced as some kind of, as I say, como pinky greenie. I brought the writer Bob Ellis into this place once. He's dead now. I showed him the magnificent old growth forest, and then I showed him the destruction, the Hiroshima, the awful, discordant waste as it appeared, still smouldering. And he said, "Curse you, Wooley, you've ruined my life." What saddens me as a Tasmanian is that I know that this doesn't really make money. That in our little socialist island, this is run for just a few people. A day like this is a trip into heaven and hell. Hell because you go through the destruction of paradise to see it, and heaven because it is what we were created for.
We're the caretakers of our forests, to hand on to the next generation. What do you want to do? Just give them some photographs? No, we need to be able to pass this area, these high conservation areas, on to the next generation so that they can look after it and they can then pass it on to the next generation.